Hi, Team Londres. So I'm going to talk about the sales force. The sales force plays a major role within any company since without sales company do not survive. No matter how attractive or novel a product is, if it is not sold properly, it can hardly be marketed and make a profit. Now let's talk about Panasonic Company Corporation, which is a world leader and the development and engineering of electronics technologies and customer solutions for residential, non-residential, mobility, and personal application. Now, my colleagues will explain motivational tools, sales training, and sales force evaluation to understand and analyze how the size of the sales force is directly linked to the size of the company. Since big companies require special logistics and large scale model, it is important to pay attention to these special departments to provide better support to salespeople. As we have already mentioned, they are so important.
Well, in the case of Panasonic, I consider that there are two main motivational tools that will help it. First, determine clear objectives, since it has to have a destination to maintaining motivation. Besides, the company handles material for technological and electrical products, and having clear objectives can help to have material or products made of surplus that can be wasted or harm the environment. Another useful motivation tool will be aware of any problems that arise because some are domestic products, so people should be too comfortable with their purchase.
Well, yep, that's a good choice. But we're going to see a concept in the sales training tool that we need to take into account. That one is the system analysis and evaluation. In this concept show us that it will be necessary to take into account that organizations have internal systems where employees need to show the ability to use. For that reason, it's very considered to be necessary to be transversal to the new technologies and how they should be incorporated into the routines and in the contacts that the customer may have. Now, another concept important it will be market research because this is one what will be essential to the salespeople because the salespeople need to get a basis of economics advance. In that way, they can use it for their own advantage. For that reason, it's very important to have a very good understanding of the market segment that the sellers will have to deal in the scenarios while the customer will be involved.
That's correct. Now, in the evaluation tool, I would say that the most appropriate for Panasonic is the response time to potential customers because the company sells mainly technological products or home appliances, and normally the people interested in buying these products is because they have just moved or need things quickly. So it is very important that the salespeople attend them quickly, and those also evaluate the performance of the same in the company.